Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where today we're doing a comprehensive analysis of Microsoft stock, Microsoft. We'll examine the current market sentiment based on recent news and financial reports. Then we will dive deep into the charts, exploring the price action across different timeframes. Recent news suggests that Microsoft's stock performance has been influenced by various factors, including its quarterly earnings report, the broader market trends, and expectations around future technological advancements. Looking first at the daily chart, we can observe the overall trend of the price movement. Notice any significant peaks and troughs, which could represent potential resistance and support levels. Let's now zoom in on a specific period of the daily chart to see if there are any interesting patterns or anomalies we can discuss. This segment of the chart shows a period of consolidation, followed by a sharp price increase or decrease. The increase or decrease could potentially be attributed to specific news events, like the release of a new product or a major announcement from the company. It's essential to identify patterns and try to correlate price action to market news. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can look for shorter-term patterns and trends. The hourly chart allows us to observe more frequent price fluctuations. Analyzing the 1-hour chart can help us identify entry and exit points for shorter-term trading strategies. Remember, the short term is more volatile and should be traded accordingly. Next, let's look at the 15-minute chart for even finer-grained detail and insights into MSFT's intraday price movements. This high-frequency timeframe provides a precise view of how the price reacts to certain news events or announcements. The 15-minute chart is useful for scalpers who aim to profit from small price changes in short periods. However, this frequency of trading is extremely risky and should only be done by experienced traders. By comparing all three timeframes, we obtain a holistic understanding of Microsoft's stock price behavior. We can spot correlations between short-term and long-term trends in the price movement. Support and resistance levels become clearer when comparing different charts and timeframes. We are now going to summarize the key insights we have discussed. In summary, key price levels to watch for Microsoft include significant support around 400 and resistance levels around 450. Short-term predictions suggest a possible move to 415 in the coming days, although this is subject to market conditions and news. Long-term, the outlook for Microsoft remains mostly bullish, driven by the company's strong fundamentals and growth prospects in technology. However, global economic conditions could affect the rate of this growth. Important things to look for in the near future are any significant news releases from Microsoft, as well as the general economic climate. Changes in interest rates or global market trends could influence MSFT's price movements. Monitor volume levels on each timeframe. High volume during price increases suggests strong buying pressure. Conversely, high volume during price decreases shows substantial selling pressure.